starters for both squads. Si Elorde boost. That's why it's 1-0. 20 seconds have gone by in the opening period. Pero naagaw agad ng Lasal. Layup, it's good for number 5 of the game. Bautista, pinasa ngayon. Nakay-balance shot. Tumira sa corner. Napaka-deadly. Strong.
Actually, panlaban ng Lasal dito is they gonna run. Kumbaga, syempre, yung mga manong letran, talagang mga veterano na yung mga yan.
Here comes Boo. At tama sinasabi mo, tumatakbo talaga ang no?
Yes.
Ang Lasal ngayon.
That will be their advantage hindi bumababa yan.
Yes. So, kailangan paano tatapatan ng Lasal yan. And now, Galvez, binigay kay Buico. Buico drives. Ooh. And one. Pinasa ngayon kay Elorde. Elorde passes it to Boo. Boo. It's Herrera. Undergo basket.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, shot by Galvez. Nagpintes Paredes with another board. Tumatakbo ngayon. Elorde drives. Layup. Woohoo! What a shot! Etong letra nagpalit tao. Ivan Villanueva, Apreco, Willie Miller, Kojak, Melegrito. Dumating pa si Brian Pahundo.
Eh, malay mo naman, dumating ulit si Rico Mayhofer last game. Medyo late.
As a leather, ikilos ba si Catalio? Yate pinasa ang bola and then now a three-pointer.
That's a good space.
Ramos, he drives. Woo! Muntika na yun, ang ganda ng layup no?
Pero again, ang ganda ng spacing talaga ng Lasal, no? But again, kailangan lang nila mabasket yung mga ganun easy basket.
And then Jerwin Daco scoring on that one. Meanwhile, a three-point shot, Bernabe Mintes. Apreco, yes sir!
Yan naman bibigay sa'yo ng upgrade.
26-25, 1:06 remaining. Oh, what a pass! Ramos with a basket!
Wow, nice back.
Villanueva, balik kay Thriller. Bernabe, Miller has it. Tumikada na tres. Yes.
Cool na cool.
Paredes. Kasi dalawa lang silang big man ngayon. While ang letra, they're enjoying the depth of their lineup. Ni Mactalio nagbitis.
Parang nanggigigil si Mactalio. Kanina pa siya nung nakatlong layup na siya, hindi pa siya
Oo Pero yung normal plays talaga papasok yun no? Pero may matching gigil nga. Meanwhile, Gakpo, yung masinta, pasok. Pero ngayon, we're the key for Lasal. Pero tingnan natin ngayon, kung makiklik rin, Melenchon, corner 3.
Wow.
Yes! Sa depth, yun yung mananalo. And looks like Letran has that advantage early. Cruz, binigay kay Piñera. Melenchon, libre doon. Pero Piñera, tumira, nagmintes, Paundo. Basic shot, basic.
Napakadali ng basketball sa Letran.
Remaining, second quarter action. Elorde, in and out. Pero na doon si Gako.
Ang napapansin natin, parang medyo bumababa ng 3-point shooting na Lasal na hindi katulad ng first quarter. Talagang pumapasok. If they want to win this game,
nahihirapan sina Jerwin Gako si Papot Paredes to operate.
nakita mo si Big Mac Andayan, nakatayo lang. So, kumbaga, ang hirap talagang pasukin ng Letran kasi si Gako, kahit anong bangga, nakatayo lang yung kamay ni Big Mac. Hindi niya pa rin natira yung bola.
Pero ito naman, si Marcos tumira na sa strategy nila. Stalio, binigay kay Elore.
Nice pass.
Ganda.
Nice pass. What a good play by the Lasal there.
Pero look at the face of Jerwin Gako. He needs it. He's puffing and huffing. And just like that, Mac Andayan took it. Nakikita talaga yung importance ni Marcos. So tingnan natin ngayon as Ramos. Wow. Yes!
They're gonna need a lot of big man sa tao, no? So kailangan nila ng maraming ganyan.
Push up. Di ba? Parang tama na push up na Watch the games here in the Pinoy League Alumni Cup 75 playtime. 8:13 remaining as we see Villanueva jumper. Yes, sir.
Medyo nakita natin
may 8 players pa sila sa bench nila no? So they come here as 13 players. And Paredes has it. Another crack at the basket. Talyon. And look at that. Gako. Letran saka
Ateneo.
no? Given the lineup, as we take a look at that.
Reko.
Oo. Parang body fat.
Wala.
Ako, opat.
Kumukuha pa ng offensive rebound. Paano mo may...
Makikita natin na talaga Mr. Quality minutes din yan. Every time na nasa loob ng court yan, he gives everything. At meanwhile, Big Mac! Ooh!
Kita mo yung tinangat basket na naman sa Letran.
Pero Cruz, binigay kay Gako. Gako really working hard. Naagaw ni Talio. Talio, nagmamadali. They have the numbers. Ramos, Chat, it's good. Yes, thank you so much, Lian. And of course, easier said than done eh. Sabi na kung if they want to win, pero ngayon, they are down. Oh, a 3-point shot. Yan. Sasabihin natin, double digit yung kalamang in this game. So, hindi natin alam. And Jeremy Kako.
Grabe, kakayot kalabaw talaga.
Point lead. As we see Belencion inside Andaya. Seryoso.
Yes, kasi kahit anong mangyari ng first and third mo, yung fourth quarter mo pa rin ang tatapos ng.
Pero syempre, gusto mo na ikaw yung dadala ng bola, Cruz, napapasahan. Pinasa kay Paundo. Yun.
Sabi mo, siniseryoso na Lasal dito.
Pero defense by Paundo on that one. Turnover ni Talio. Ito. Preko!
6 straight points.
Kaya bola ngayon, Lopez, Paredes. He sees Wong for the 3.
Wow.
Need that one.
Of course.
And on the other end, Belencion pops, takes the shot. Boom!
Wow. Paano may stop yun? Transition siya, pwede makuha pa rin ng teammates niya yung rebound.
Yes. Kaya nandun yung contest eh. 98, hindi nila kayang maintain na pareho sa on the court eh. Magpapalitan lang talaga sila eh.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, siyempre, factor na rin age na mga players natin.
Oh, yes. We have 30 seconds remaining. Belencion, 3-point shot. Ay, nilinis ang ring.
Grabe pa rin talaga kamay ng Belencion.
Tingnan natin, si Wong. 3-point shot. Uy, sinagot ang 3. 10 seconds remaining. Areku! Down. And Apreco, one of the heroes of this game. But the top of Letran push them to this victory. 111-94. Big win for Letran. So tignan natin, they go up 2-0 the team standings while LaSalle falls to their first
step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!